Many new beautiful pictures of Yağmur Yüksel have been shared on social media. Yağmur was in a beautiful Barbie look. She was wearing white hat and wearing pink shirt. She was looking so much pretty and beautiful overall and looking so much beautiful. So Yağmur Yüksel new beautiful picture has been shared and she was looking so much pretty and beautiful as always. She has also attended the Oscar series and participated in it. So Yağmur beautiful Barbie look has been shared. Barış has given a reaction on this and he said that Yağmur was looking so much beautiful and pretty and he is happy to see her.